Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Gracious, and today we are talking about tips that can help your woman get ready for you, be in the mood, and enjoy it when you want to. The thing is, I always say women lead hectic lifestyles. We have so many things going on in our head, and it has been a problem for so many of us to actually get ready when the man is ready. That is why most times you see men, once they get married and give birth, they start going out. It's as if the woman is no longer connected. The woman is now more focused in building the home than the initial love spark that she had with the boyfriend or the husband before they got married. So that is why most men have normalized going out, especially when the woman has just given birth to the first one. All her attention is focused on the family and the baby. Some people, because of their age, they don't get to be in the mood or enjoy anything with you. Now I'm going to give you 6 tips that can help her have an enjoyable intimacy with you. And number 1 is to know what you like and dislike during the act. We find it very difficult to explain to our men that this is actually what we want. This is not what we want. And they have to go ahead discovering all these things themselves. And some don't even try to discover. All they care about is just to please themselves. So the thing is, you can actually help yourself do solo and get to understand your body and know what you like. I'm talking to the ladies now. Know the rhythm, the pace to which you like, know the kind of foreplay you like, the touching you like, know your position, know what turns you on and what turns you off. And then another thing is having a partner who is ready to dance with you and knows how to do the dance. If you're someone that shy away from talking about what you like, you can actually relate to him in a fantasy way. You can talk about your fantasies. So through your fantasies, you can actually say to him what you like. And trust me, he is definitely going to try and go ahead to do that. Number 2 is the ability to be in the moment and tune out the noise. As I've said before, women lead hectic lifestyles. We have so many things going on in our head. Maybe we are thinking of the school runs we'll do, how we'll get the children ready, how we'll prepare breakfast, lunch, dinner, and still attend to our own selves, still go to work. It is a whole lot, especially when a baby is already involved. The thing is, how do you get her ready? How do you get her to be in the mood? Now, this is something you can start days before or earlier that day. You can start by texting, lovely text, romance text, while you are away at work. You can remind her how beautiful you are. You can compliment her. Compliment all doesn't just have to be when you guys are dating. You can compliment your wife. You can just remind her how amazing she is. You can remind her the first times you guys met, what led her to you, how amazing she is, and just try to tease her, try to compliment her. It could be through text before the day runs down. So you're getting her mind ready and getting her prepared. And when you are almost at the act, you have to try and do a lot of foreplay, get her in the mood. You can massage her to relax her body. You can try and tune down the noise that is around that can distract her. So you can put candle, put music, very slow blues that will make the environment conducive for what is about to happen. Work her mind into being in the mood. The third thing is positive body image and self-confidence. Now, most times self-confidence, when we lack it, it can actually ruin the enjoyment. I already have a video where I talked about confidence to women, and I know that my guys do not actually think about your physique at that moment. They don't think about the flab of flesh you have here and there. the big tummy you have and how flat your ass is. They don't think about that. So women should just try to be confident and comfortable in their own self, in their own body. Be comfortable in your skin. Look in the mirror and see the amazing woman. For you to even have that partner that cherish and love you, that adore you, that even walked up to you in the first place, means that you are a beauty to behold. Because no one wants to associate with an ugly person. Of course, no one is ugly. No matter how you are, you see someone that appreciates you and loves you exactly just the way you are. So, men, you can actually help your woman to build her self-confidence. You can make her to feel free to explain her fears and her worries. And you try to talk to her in a calm way and make her understand that all these things you're thinking about, I am not even thinking about it. All I'm looking at is an amazing woman, a beautiful, confident woman. You don't all have to think, oh, we met when I was slim and now I am fat. Love shouldn't be limited to your body shape or your body size. That you were slim when you guys met and then you added. Nothing changed in you. You are still you. Although you can help yourself with workouts and exercise and physical activities to maintain your body, so that you feel more confident in yourself, because these things happen when we feel we've added a lot. Number 4 is trust and emotional security in your relationship. Two partners are supposed to trust each other, but the trust starts reducing when something like infidelity sets in. Your woman might not be secured enough because she might be afraid for her life, especially when the man is always on her phone texting and chatting someone else that might not be a fellow woman. We tend to think, oh, my attention is not needed anymore. He texts so much, I don't even know whom he meets. Now, ladies, if you're watching this video, you can relate with your man and explain your fears. If you don't know how to confront them on what they are doing, just try to, maybe you're always on your phone these days texting and it feels like I don't matter anymore, like we are losing the luster in this marriage, I need your attention more. You can look for a nice way to tell him your worries. Now, the men, always be open with your wife. Do not be so secretive. Show her that you trust her and that she can trust you as well. Number 5, to know your partner's health status, especially the health status that is linked with the issues of knacking. Now, if you're confused about the state of health, because some of them actually think that you're doing something outside the marriage and I can't risk my health. Maybe when you want to touch her, she doesn't want you to touch her. You keep wondering what is going on. The thing is, as I just said, relate with her, make her to trust you. Be open in everything you're doing. And the both of you can actually go once in 3 months, once in a month. Schedule your checkups. You can go and do checkups every now and then to ascertain emotional security and trust that is in that marriage. Number 6 is the right product. Knowing the right product for the both of you is going to make it more comfortable. The woman might be living a hectic life. There's so many things going on in her head and she's trying to actually be in the mood. But mentally, she might try to get in the mood. Physically, she might not be. So another thing that might affect her being ready is her age. So at this point, you have to include some products like lube. And you should know the kind of lube you use. You can use a natural one that is water-based lube. So look for some products that is going to help the both of you. You can look for toys and incorporate if that is what will spark up the enjoyment. So these are the 6 tips that can help your woman to have an amazing intimacy with you in case she is moving on another direction. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video, leave a comment down there below in the comment section, and I'm going to see you next time in my next video.